Hey everyone, Selena again. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today we are looking at the Worx Landroid L20V, model WR155, a robotic lawnmower that's making waves for homeowners with larger yards. This mower is designed to tackle up to half an acre, and I'm excited to share what makes it a game changer, along with a few things to keep in mind. Let's get started. First off, the Worx Landroid L is all about convenience. With its 20-volt 6-amp battery, it's got the power to cover about 22,000 square feet, which is perfect for bigger lawns. Once you set up the boundary wire, this thing mows autonomously, navigating your yard with precision. I love that it's app-controlled via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can schedule mowing times, adjust cutting heights from around 1.5 to 4 inches, and even monitor its progress from your phone. It's like having a personal lawn crew that works while you relax. Another big plus is its intelligent design. The offset cutting disc gets super close to edges, reducing the need for manual trimming. It also handles slopes up to 20 degrees, so uneven terrain isn't a problem. The rain sensor is a nice touch. It sends the mower back to its charging station during wet weather, protecting your lawn and the machine. Plus, it's part of Worx's power share system, so the battery works with other Worx 20-volt tools. That's a huge win if you're already in their ecosystem. The setup is straightforward too. The kit includes everything you need: battery, charger, boundary wire, stakes, and blades. It took me about an hour to lay out the wire and get it running. Once programmed, it's low maintenance, quietly mowing at around 60 decibels. That's quieter than most gas mowers, so you won't annoy the neighbors. And with anti-theft features like a PIN code and app alerts, you can feel secure leaving it out. Now, let's talk about a couple of drawbacks. The boundary wire setup can be a bit tedious, especially for complex yards with lots of obstacles. Some users mention the wire can shift or break over time, which might require occasional tweaks. Also, while the app is user-friendly, it can occasionally lose connection if your Wi-Fi signal is weak. These aren't deal breakers, but they're worth noting to set expectations. Overall, the Worx Landroid L WR155 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to automate lawn care. It saves time, delivers consistent results, and has smart features that make it a joy to use. If you've got a half-acre lot and want to ditch the push mower, this is a solid investment. I highly recommend it for its reliability and tech-savvy approach if your lawn is suitable for a guide wire install. Before I wrap up, grab the best pricing and special promotional deals using the link below from Rick's Review Hub. Also, check out our other videos for reviews on similar robotic mowers and lawn tools. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe to support the channel. See you next time.